Hey guys, welcome back to Kamar Reaction for another reaction video with me today. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys so much. So guys, I am back with another reaction video to the group CNCO. Basically, was a behind the scene from the Beso VMAs performance that they did last year, I believe, at VMAs. So let's go and see what these boys can be giving us.
So you could search the rest on our social media and TikTok and everything.
The rest is on TikTok.
Do the challenge we'll repost.
Go check it out.
I love that redhead on Zabiel. I mean, on Richard.
Couple of static. Pose, go.
So we gotta go.
Camera, flash in his face real quick.
Hey, thank you guys.
That was hot. My legs broke out.
We love you. Thank you.
Okay, E, roll camera. Okay, so, what your faces? Roll camera.
Oh. What is this, their private plane? Come on, guys. Chris. I dismissed with the group's private plane. Oh, I like it. She says so. Oh, that must be the. That's not the jet. Oh, okay. So they're practicing. Oh, it's not me, it's quiet. The video is quiet. Oh, I didn't even know. Oh, yes. Oh, that's what it looks like from behind the scenes. Oh, that was nice. I think they should do more stuff like that. It's not me, it's very quiet. It's not me. They won a VMAs. As you guys can see, that was my reaction to Basil VMAs from behind the scenes. It's very cute to see that dance number, that dance break, because I really like that part of the music video. But in the live performance, watching it from home, you didn't get to see that angle, but that was very nice. That was very cool. That was very cool. Thank you guys so much for the recommendation to this group. I really do like this group. I know there was someone who commented on one of my posts and basically I had a negative comments towards Joel. I'm not gonna sit here and be rude, but get out your feelings. It's not that serious. It is not that serious, but that person commented, I commented back. The person replied, I was like, I'm still asking weird negative comment that I've ever attacked anyone. But I guess reading and listening and critical thinking is not everyone's best forte, but what else is new? But thank you so much for watching. For everybody else, like I said before, whatever you want my react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. And please don't take everything personal because it's not that serious. Bye.